We are learning about sounds that are in lots of words. Today we're going to learn about diphthongs. A diphthong is when there are two vowels joined together inside a word, and we're going to talk about the sounds that these diphthongs make. The first diphthong we're going to talk about is ow. When we hear the sound ow in a word, it is sometimes written by using the vowels O and U together. Think about the word cloud. Let's do the sounds we can hear. Cl. I can hear a blend first. Cl, ow, ow. That's my diphthong that I can hear. Cloud. We wrote the word cloud, and in the middle we put in the diphthong, the vowel OU, which makes the sound ow. Now let's think about the word mouth. Mouth. Let's write that. Ow. I wrote the word mouth, and in the middle I could hear the sound ow. Ow is written using the vowels OU. Now we're going to talk about the diphthong oi. Oi is written using OY, the two vowels OY together. Now I want to write the word boy. Oi. I know that the oi sound is made by the diphthong OY. So in my word, I've written the sounds I can hear. Oi. And now I'm going to write the word toy. Oi. The sounds that I can hear in the word toy are t, oi. I know that the sound oi is made with the diphthong oy. Now we're going to talk about the diphthong a. The sound a is made up with the vowels a and y. Let's write the word hay. Listen to the sounds that you can hear in hay. A. The A sound at the end of the word hay is written with the diphthong AY. A. And now let's write the word play. A. I heard the blend pl at the start and then A, the diphthong A at the end. And now we're going to talk about the diphthong E. The sound E is made up with the two vowels E and E joined together. Let's write the word be. E. The E sound at the end of that word is made up of the diphthong E. So to write be, I do E. And let's write the word feet. Eat. The sounds in the word feet are eat. The E sound in the middle of the word is made up of the diphthong E.